Hello guys, in this video I wanted to show you how to use Camtasia Studio. So guys, to use Camtasia Studio you can import any video from here. So click on this plus icon, then click on import media. You can import your video here. Then here is the media. You will find all medias in this list, media bin. In library you will find some default actions like this text and screen. In annotations you will find these annotations, some text you can add like arrow. You can add your text here, some different types of arrows, cloud, and also style. You will find all style. You can select which you like. Box, title, and arrows. You can use any shape. So triangle, star shape, and circle shapes. And here you can blur any things in your video like this. You want to blur this one. Spotlight. So you can use this spotlight to spot and highlight. This is the highlight. You want to highlight something. Some lines and circle, and also you can use this keyboard, some keys, and here you can set which you like, and animations. You can give any style for animations, and in the more there are behavior, cursor effect, and voice narrations, audio effect. You can remove background noise. You can increase your voice using this audio effects, and here is the visual effects, and also you can add your captions. So it's an easy and quick way to edit your video. Here you can undo and here you can redo. This is the cut and this is the copy paste, and here the track. You can use some tracks like for video, for audio, and for sound. You can maximize your style, so you can edit and you can cut some unusual things, unuseful things in your video. And here you can set your timeline. So hopefully guys you like this video, and in the next video I will show you in advance how to use Camtasia. So this is the basic information to use Camtasia. Thanks for watching.